Hello Gary buddies. So today I have come towards old Ludhiana. Let me show you the narrow streets of Ludhiana market, and I have come here through from the road, the Resi road, and this is the narrow market you will encounter if you go straight from here. And I'm going towards Sarafa Bazaar. There are jewelers, mostly they work with the stones for lockets like these things. And this market you can see many clothing and some stationery shops also here. And near the junction, or you can say the chowk, there is a very famous pudi wala. Yeah, I don't remember the name. Today it's Tuesday, otherwise the market would be closed mostly on Sunday and on the Monday also. Most of the clothing shops here you can see, and there is hardly any space for parking, and bringing your car over here is like impossible task to do. Let them pass from here. They are, yeah. Oh, come on man, clear the way. So now it's our turn. Now if you see on the right, there is a shop that cooks pudi chole, and very tasty, very yummy. The lassi also there has lassi. A lot of traffic here. Let me show you a glimpse if I can. Yummy. Only been here once, but that was a great dish. You can definitely come here if you are coming to Ludhiana. A disclaimer, you may find it a bit unhygienic, but that would be worth it. Now this is Sarafa Bazaar. Yeah. And you can find very old buildings here. Let me show you one building I saw and I was very impressed. We'll stop here. Now let me show you. The building on the right is very, very old. Let me unmount my camera and show you. You can see this building. Wow, so old. You can see all the monkeys, statues. Maybe you won't be able to see from this angle, but this video, the video you are seeing of the building, this building was constructed or completed on January 1927. My god, that's a long time, man. You can see the narrow streets, they are so narrow. If you're coming here, come on the two-wheeler or come by foot. So that's it for this video. I'll keep it very short and sweet, and hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe the channel if you enjoy watching the videos. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.